is Katie and I'm with thefeatherplace.com, and today we are doing our very first Fifi video, which is for your feather information. Today what I thought we would do is a basic ostrich video. A lot of people are wanting to use them for different things and they're not really for sure what they're looking at online whenever they're trying to shop for them. I find that they fall into pretty much 4 different categories. We have a category called drabs, a category that's called floss, a category called spads, and then one that's called wings or femina. We're going to go and talk about the drabs first. They can range from a really sweet little short 4-inch feather on up to around 20 inches in length. They have some droop quality to them, but primarily they stay on the stiffer side, but they're pretty easy to work with. Then the next category that we run into is floss. The floss actually comes from off of the underneath side of the bird's wing, and it's super droopy. It's the softest, flowiest feather out of the whole group that you're going to come across. Very little stiffness quality in the quill. The next one is the spad. The spad is actually a wing feather as well, but it takes a beating. It's the one that gets hit on the ground the most often. Now this one is in really great shape, but generally the edges of it are really dry because it's the one that gets to take the brunt of everything. But from off of the spad, we get another feather. This one right here, which is called Nandu. It's trimmed. It's awesome. It's really wonderful to make a really dramatic impression on things. This gets used a lot for costumes. The spad gets used a lot for centerpieces, costumes, and really the spad, this category, you get a lot of wow for the money. It's pretty economic for your larger, longer size plumes. Now the last category, which is the femina and the wing pieces. They're used primarily for couture. They're long, they're flowy, they're glamorous, they're glitzy. Of course you're going to pay more for them, but if you have it in the budget, this is something you would want to work for to make the grandest statement of all out of all the pieces. But if you just take a look at them, but they are very impressive. So I wanted to thank you for watching today on our basic ostrich video, and you should check us out again while we do other videos on other birds. Bye!